Hello guys, welcome to Algorithms Made Easy. Today we will go through the day 13 problem from July Lead Coding Challenge, Same Tree. Please like the video and if you are new don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you never miss any update. Given two binary trees, write a function to check if they are the same or not. Two binary trees are considered same if they are structurally identical and the nodes have the same value. In the first example, both trees are same so we return true. In second example, the structure of the two trees differs so we return false. In example 3, the structure is same but the value at the left subtree is unequal, so we return false. There are two ways to solve this problem. First recursively and second iteratively. We will also discuss the time and space complexity, so do watch the video till the end. Let's start with the recursive approach. We will take a method check which will have two parameters. These two parameters will be the root of the two trees, which in this case is 1. We will first check if both values are null, then we return true. If any one of the values is null, we return false. Then we check if values of both the nodes are equal or not. If not equal, we return false. Else, we return the end of the recursive call for both left and right subtree. As both roots are equal, we call the method for left and right subtree. Now as both left and right values in two trees are equal, both methods return true, and as the result is the end of the two recursive call, we return true. Suppose in previous example the right subtree for one of the tree is missing. In this case the method 3, null will give a different result than previous. As one of the node is null, this method return false as discussed earlier. So the final return becomes false. The algorithm will look like this. We'll first define our exit conditions. There are two conditions in which we simply return false, and one where we return true. If none of them satisfy, then we recursively call method for both left and right subtree. Let's move ahead with an iterative approach. Rather than recursively calling the method, we can just store the nodes into a queue and then check them. This is exactly what we are going to do. Taking the same example, we will have two queues, one for each tree. Now we take the root and compare them for equality. Both values are equal, so we add them into their respective queue. We now start a loop which will work till any one of the queue is not empty. Inside the loop, we remove the element from both the queues. Now we check if left is not null and also if they are equal or not. As they are equal, we insert both into their queues. Same will be done for the right subtree. This completes our first looping. As queue is not empty, we again remove the node and check for both left and right. As they are null, we do not add anything. Same will happen in case of 3. As now the queue is empty, we are sure that both trees are same. So we return true. Taking the previous case again, the queue will look similar till 2. Now we will check for the right subtree. And as the tree is absent for 1, the check condition fails and so we return false. Let's rewind the algorithm. We'll first check if both trees are null. If so, then we return true. We then check the value of the two roots. If they are unequal, return false. Now we initialize two queues and add both the roots into their queue. Now we loop till one of the queue is not empty. We remove the first element from both queues. Now if left value in both are equal, we add left node into queue and same with right tree. If values are unequal, we return false. After the loop, we return true. The time complexity will be O of n as we need to check every node. The space complexity depends on the structure of tree. If it is a completely balanced tree, the complexity is O of log n, and if it is a completely unbalanced tree, it is O of n. Here is the actual code snippet from the method. Also check out the link to the Java code in the description below. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Let me know in the comment section what you think about the video.